Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add guests in Asana. So first step is to scroll down to your project section and open up your project. Now, if you are in your project, click on this share button right here. Now, in order to add guests, you will have to type here their email. So type the email, and the crucial step will actually be, so you can click on this, invite. Crucial step will be click on this and change this editor to commenter or viewer. If you want your guest to comment, click on this, and if you want your guest to only see but can't add comments or edit the project, click on viewer. I would recommend viewer if you want your guests to only see this, and click on invite. Now you can also notify when tasks are added to the project if you select this. As you can see, this invite is pending, and it will change to a viewer if he accepts this. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.